This is a combination floating crack. A floating crack is a crack in the middle of a windshield not touching any edge. Our technician uses the probe to inspect the brake thoroughly to locate any and all cracks protruding from the brake. After the inspection, he uses a carbide drill bit made specifically for glass. He will only score the windshield to remove any flakes or shards of glass from the impact point. Drilling too deep can ruin the polyvinyl butyrol layer and the repair. The technician found several cracks that need to be tied in, so he uses a torch to slightly heat the windshield before tapping with the probe. The technician is satisfied and can begin the injection process. There are two ways that you can fill the injector with resin. This tech prefers adding resin to the injector before suctioning the bridge to the windshield. He places the bridge, allowing access to the longer cracks for flexing and injection. After securing the feet of the bridge, he tightens down the injector at the impact point. When pressure is applied to the injector, the brake begins to draw in the resin. After pulling a vacuum and adding pressure several times, the technician uses the probe to flex open the crack. Now that the air has been removed, it's time to apply a patch with pit resin. Pit resin has a higher viscosity than repair resin and is designed to help rebuild the surface of the glass. Here, the technician used enough patches to cover all damage. To avoid trapping air pockets in the pit resin, it's important to work out the bubbles. After 5 to 15 minutes of UV light curing, our Clearview technician can begin scraping off the excess with a razor blade. It's time to clean the windshield and polish the pit. You may still notice certain parts of the brake due to refraction of light, but in all repairs, our primary objective is to remove the air from the brake so it can no longer expand, contract, and crack out. We do it right the first time, that's why we can offer a 100% guarantee. This is a combination floating crack before and after the repair.
I'm Heath Hine, the proud owner of Clearview Windshield Repair, and this is Bob Dog Chicken, our mascot. I mean our CEO. Thank you for taking the time to watch these videos. For more information, click on the following links.